Good morning, guys. Welcome to Building Velocity. We got us a new kit in. I ordered this kit off of Banggood. It is a 1/32 scale Desert Runner truck. It's the Orlando Hunter OH32X02. It's a kit. I'm assuming it's going to have some pretty small parts in it, guys, but it's really cool looking. Comes in a few different colors. It looks like from the picture there, I got the red one. I'm anxious to open this box up and see how small these parts are. Engaging from what we've got here, which this, it looks like it's the ESC. It's pretty little. Hard to see in there. This is a micro servo. You can see that, very small. And then this is the motor. Very little, very small. So we're gonna open this box up and see what all we've got in this dude and what we've gotten ourselves into. It says it's 14 plus. I just happen to fit in that category, 14 plus. Now my wife would probably beg to differ sometimes, but yeah, I ordered this a little while back, guys. It was on a pretty slow boat from China through Banggood. Now this is available through AMain Hobbies, I believe, if you wanted to order yourself one for, it's a little bit more on AMain, but still a very cool looking kit. Got the stickers and whatnot here. So hopefully you guys can see this. Got a manual, I'm hoping, with really good instructions. Guys, look at the cage on this thing, and you have to build all of this stuff. So it's going to be quite interesting. Quite interesting build. Leave me some comments, guys, of how you want to see this build go down. If you want it in pieces and all at once. I don't think I'll be able to do it all in one video, but very cool. Very cool little car. Pieces, like I said, are small. This is the tires. It even comes with little bitty limiting straps in there. This is all the parts bags. Comes with a very small tool. Some sticky tape, little bitty, looks like little bitty nuts and parts in there. And this is looks like the shock bag, guys. I don't know if you can see how small those shock caps are, but let's see if you can get a shot of those springs. Those are the shock springs. So, and then here's the little body. So guys, this thing is going to be awesome. It's going to be a fun little car to build. This is just kind of the unboxing, and you guys let me know. Like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, those are the phones. Okay, so they even come with phones, guys, and to put inside the tires. That's pretty neat. And look at the rims, so small. It's gonna be fun. My eyesight isn't the greatest it's ever been, so I might struggle a little bit. We might have to get us something to see some of these small parts, but it's available, like I said, on Banggood. It took it a few weeks to get here. I think I ordered it after Christmas. So 3-4 weeks to get here, but I paid less than $100 for it. So it was worth the wait. I got, you know, if you got other stuff that you're working on, other projects, probably be certainly worth the wait. I'm anxious to get this dude put together and just to see what it does. It's really cool, that the way it works. It's just like a UDR almost, but 1/32nd scale. So it's not very big. It's pretty small. Those of you guys who live up north in the winter time, you could have some fun in your living room, jumping the coffee table or something, who knows. But anyhow, guys, just a quick update. New little car, new little kit. I try to figure out how to put a link in here. If I do, check the description down below. There may be a link in there for this little guy. If so, click that link and get you one, guys, and have some fun with it. I'm certainly going to try. Hopefully I'll be able to get this dude together. Some pretty small stuff. Anyhow, guys, thanks for watching. Leave me some comments on what you think. Leave us a like. If you're subscribed, thank you very much. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below, guys. And we'll see you in the next one.